I'm Covey, and I'm working on trains again. So, for the past couple months, I've been in university. I've been finishing off my degree, actually. It was pretty stressful, a lot of work, so I cut out the Thomas stuff, wasn't working on any of that. But I graduated, or I'm graduating, I don't know, I submitted all my assignments in November, and I've just done a bit of life admin and portfolio building stuff. Um, Now, and that's sort of all wrapping up. So yesterday I sat down, I made some really good progress on the trains. I didn't film it, and then 5 people yelled at me that I should have filmed it. So I'm filming it today. Um, but when I was last talking to you guys, Percy, Henry, and Gordon were on the roster. My focus has shifted a little bit. I got this fantastic Thomas chassis that's made from a cut down Markland chassis. I didn't do this myself because my bandsaw doesn't cut metal, but this is awesome. It's fully internally geared and everything, so there's gears inside connecting it all together. So I thought I should make Thomas. I really should make Thomas. So that's what I'm doing. This is my Thomas shell. I'm making great progress on him. All these green parts are 3D prints. I recently got a Bamboo Labs 3D printer, which is just genuinely the best thing in the world. So I'm using that right now to make all the inside scaffolding to hold all the bits of the smoke mech and all the electronics. So I'm sort of up to that stage. I want to try and get Thomas fully done internally with all his electronics and wiring before I paint him, because I know it's a bit of a squeeze in this guy. But yeah, so I'm going to try that. I'm going to do that today. And I'm going to let the camera roll. You know the drill. You've probably seen the other ones. But yeah, I'm keen. Well, there you go, guys. This has been like 3 days, this video, by the way. I didn't do this in a day. I was so like defeated for the past 2 days, so I was just like, oh, I'm going to bed at the end of it instead of like wrapping up and editing a video. I was like, no way. So I decided, okay, I'm just gonna record it till it's done and then put it all into a video. But anyway, he's done internally. I mean, he's not actually, but he works, and I know which parts I need to order to fully deck him out. Like, for example, the step down that I have only starts working. It steps the voltage down to 3.3 volts for the vape that powers the smoke. But yeah, it stops working at 5.5, but it has like a maximum of like 21, which was great when I was powering it off the track. But now I'm powering it off the battery. The battery max is 6, and it gets down to 5.5 very quickly. So I'm going to need to replace that with a separate unit, which I'm going to order, which is going to work at a lower voltage and step it down to that 3.3. So I need to order that, and also the battery packs I did for this, I literally chopped them in half on the bandsaw and like resoldered the terminals. So I need to buy some proper actual battery packs, like 2 AAAs. So I'm going to do all that and then rewire him a little bit. But for now, it's pretty cool. This remote comes on, there's a little switch in the bunker to turn him on. The eyes work just off this, which is awesome. This is the switch for smoke, and then he runs off the back power, so I can run him backwards and I can run him forwards just like that, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, big fan of the stars. So I've got that all working now. And yeah, I don't know what I'll do on him next. I'll probably just wait for those parts to come in. But thanks for sitting through this crazy video. I'll upload like a few shorts as well, I think, with little videos I took of him on my phone, because they're really cute. He's really cute. I'm really happy. So yeah, all pays off in the end. It's all rewarding, I guess. See you next time. Yeah.